Today we are about to discuss Euclid division lemma. I hope you are knowing the basic divisions. Okay, so let two numbers for any two given positive integers a and b, there exists a unique whole number, that is q and r, such that a and b, these two integers, and q and r in such a form that a is equal to bq plus r. What is bq plus r? A is the dividend, b is the divisor, and q is the quotient and r is the remainder. When you divide something, just a simple division, this is known as dividend, right? From childhood you are studying that, and this is divisor, and this one is remainder, and this is your quotient. So whom you divide, that is dividend. By what you are dividing, that is divisor, and what is left behind, जिसको हम बोलते हैं शेषनाग या अवशेष, ठीक है? That is remainder, and quotient is after dividing what you get, that is quotient. So when we from childhood knowing that if you multiply both of them and plus this, we'll get the dividend, right? The Euclid division lemma, Euclid was a scientist, so he just given an equation to find it out. There is a number where 0 r should be less than equal to 0 or less than b. Now if it is less than b, now come back to here, you see this formula. By this question you will easily understand. A number when divided by 53 gives 34 as quotient and remainder 21. Find the number. I have to find a number which is divided by 53 gives 34 as quotient. इसको हम लोग हिंदी में भागफल बोलते हैं. Okay. And 21 is the remainder, which is शेष. So how can we find that number? So we know that three things given in the question: 53, 34 and 21. 53 is the divisor, q and quotient is the 34, and 21 is the remainder. So if we will do that, then we will automatically get the dividend, that is 1823. If you will divide 1823 by 53, you will get 34 as quotient and 21 is remainder. Is that simple? Correct? Now another question is that show that every positive integer is of the form 2q and that of every positive odd integer is in the form 2q plus 1. It's very simple. In permutation combination in further class AP, HP you will study, then GP, then you usually come to know. But let's know here, let a be a number given positive integer. मान लेते हैं a एक नंबर है जो कि पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है, ठीक है? And on dividing a by 2, अगर हम a को 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं, let q be the quotient. Q be the quotient. Hope you are understanding what is quotient. R be the remainder. Let for a y that a is a number, if we are dividing it by 2, q be the quotient and r be the remainder. R बच रहा है और डिवाइड करके ये r. From Euclid division lemma, a is equal to 2q plus r. It should be, ये होना चाहिए. अब now it is given condition that r should be less than equal to 0. Less than equal to 0 means r is equal to 0, it can be, and it should be less than b. और b का वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या है 2 से ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता, ठीक है? तो r should be less than equal to 2. तो यहाँ पे मैंने एक बार क्या किया, r is equal to 0 दिया. Now put r is equal to 0. What will you get? A is equal to 2q. Now put any value to this equation. Let take q is equal to 1. Firstly take 1, then take 2, 3, 4, 5. Take any number. If you take 1, what will you get? A is equal to 2. Correct? By 2 into 1, what will come? 2. Then 2 into 2, what will come? 4. 2 into 3, what will come? 6. Now 2 into 5, what will come? 10. 2 into 4, what will come? 8. And 2 into 5, what will come? 10. So on. There is no number you will get like odd number in this by this equation. By taking any value of q, you cannot get odd number, right? So this is the equation. So it was given in the question that show that every positive integer will in the form of 2q, correct? If you will take any value of, even take 0, q is equal to 0, what will you come? A is equal to 0, not defined. Take q is equal to 1, 2 into 1, 2, correct? So by this equation is proved that any value of q will always give A is equal to 2 cube will always be positive even number, positive integer. Okay, now take any value in this equation, any value. For example, q is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Take any value in this equation, put q is equal to 1 here, 2 plus 1 what will come, 3. Q is equal to 2 here, 2 to the 4 plus 1 what will come, 5. 3 is equal, q is equal to 3, 3 to the 6 plus 1 7. Are you getting it? Okay, now take q, 4 is equal to 4, q is equal to 4, 4 to the 8 and plus 1 9. It will go on. So in this equation you won't get any number which will be equal to positive even number, you will get odd number. That's what you had to prove, odd integer. Understood? So this is about this is the basic of equal division lemma. This is the basic of equal division lemma, and further you will go LCM formulas, and I'll tell you in the next class. Thank you. Jai Hind.